All right, everybody, welcome to another episode. And I gotta tell you, we are about to do one of my biggest bucket list items that I've had for a long time, right, Joe? And we are gonna ride these bikes up going to the Sun Road in Glacier National Park. So we're gonna show you all about that, all the scenes. Now, we can't ride all the way up to Logan's Point. We can only ride up to the loop because apparently there's 15 to 20 feet of snow still up on the road, and we are here in June 11th or 12th.
Yeah.
So still a lot of snow that they're working on and clearing out.
But get as far as we can, then we're going to come back and park, load the bikes, and then take another trailhead.
Right. So we're going to only ride as far as, I think the loop is where they make you turn around. So stick with us, enjoy the beautiful sights and the beautiful ride we're going to have.
And we're going to be looking out for a yogi.
Yeah, we might find some bears.
I have yet to see, and they keep saying so.
So we have bear spray, and so I'm going to spray Joe with the bear spray.
And then throw me at the bear.
That's right.
Right. That's the plan.
And then I'll run real fast back to the bikes and leave you.
Well, my theory is if we see a bear, I'm throwing the can at the bear, because that's as fast as that's going to happen for me by the time I even get to it. And then he's got another can plus other things.
Yes.
To keep them
I got to
packed.
get that other thing. All right, guys.
Have fun. We'll see you in a bit.
So as you see, we started off in the rain here, but that wasn't so bad. It only lasted for about 10 minutes, maybe 15. Once we got to a little higher altitude, it stopped, and we were able to take the ponchos off. The ride from where we started, Avalanche Pass, the little campground there, is as far as they'd let us drive up to. Got on the bikes and started riding to the top. Sadly, they only let us go to to the loop, which is a total of 8.5 miles. And that took us about 3 hours total with all the stops and picture taking and all that kind of stuff. So a total of 17 miles to get to the loop. We do a second ride that we'll see in another video that goes a little higher. So great ride for that day.
stormy rain tried to wash away the dreams. Staff wanted stairs are worn outside, and the diner's name is California Dreams. Hey, for as long as I remember, it's been stuck inside my mind. You can't ask me to surrender when reaching for the dream keeps me alive. For as long as I remember, it's been stuck inside my mind. You can't ask me to surrender when reaching for the dream keeps me alive.
I've never been known for my cautious side. You should know that I'm well aware. I don't want anything left untried. Will you come with me, Mom?
Yeah. That was a pretty. Oh, geez, you okay? I heard it. I didn't see it. What happened, baby? You all right?
Will take us now.
That was pretty. Oh, geez, you okay? I heard
It's
it.
not that you're timid, no one could say. Choosing to walk with the gale. What shall we call us? Hobos per se. We'll find that out on the way. So let us just do, my love, and not stop thinking the earth is over. Let us just do, my love, and see where this road will take us now. I know the wind that I stir is a gale. So let us just do my love and not stop thinking of this over. Let's just do my love and see where it goes. So let's just do my love and not stop thinking of this over. Let's just do my love and see where this road will take us now.
All right, everybody. All we can say is wow.
Wow. Look.
Wasn't
Wow.
that a gorgeous ride?
Yeah.
I can't tell you.
No words describe it.
The camera doesn't do it justice. All those waterfalls and
The river going
frigid,
through it.
frigid water.
Yeah. And the rain that we have to endure again. Again.
Yeah. But what a ride. We're glad you guys came along with us.
Yeah. We hope
And,
you enjoyed it
yeah.
half as much as we did.
We're tired.
But guess what? We're not done.
We get to go downhill, that's much easier.
Tuck and roll, man.
Yeah,
Story of my
exactly.
life. Tuck and roll.
So we had a great time. We're so glad you guys joined us on this. And don't forget to do all the things, the likes, subscribes, ring the
Monster.
bells, all that kind of
You're a
stuff.
little monster.
Yes, be the click monster.
Monster.
And
Comment, please. Keep in touch with us.
Yeah.
Subscribe. Love to hear from you, even though I'm
Yeah.
so good at answering and he's not.
so leave the comments below. We'd like to know, what did you think of this?
Yeah.
Would you like more videos like this, or would you like more of the videos that
Bore me to tears. No, just kidding.
bore you to tears?
That I'm nowhere to be
how
had.
to fix things in RV life. So we'd love to hear from you guys.
Yeah.
We hope you enjoyed this. Thanks for watching. Make it a great bucket list day.
See ya.
Bye.
It's like I'm playing with my dog. Gotcha. Bye. Okay, I'm wasting my macadamias. I'll try an almond. Oh, that was close. Wrapped himself into a
Yeah.
coughing attack.
Coffee and Nancy. It's
Coughing enzy? That sounds like, he said coughing enzy. That sounds like a nice Italian. What do you do? You got a coughing enzy.
we watched The Godfather the other night, so we got the Italian.
Saw the whole fam all over again.
So
All right,
anyway,
family.
I
Don't
wanted to
cut
say
this out.
something. I'm not going to cut it out. I was going to say something. Yeah, she cut her finger.
You're gonna say?
I,